everyone. Hope you are doing well. So this is my welcome kit. I am joined in ADP. ADP stands for Automatic Data Processing. So let's open one by one. So this is the lunch box. Let's open. See, this is the lunch box. They are provided. These are the lunch box items here as well. So next, this is the laptop charger. They are provided. So this is the charger. They are provided. So there are given HP laptop. So this is the laptop. This is the bag. So headset. So let's open the headset.